I'm one of those people that doesn't like finishing shows or movies, but still wants to sit down and watch them for hours non-stop, deluding myself that they'll never really come to an end.
This is the face of someone who has one exam left, and then I will be done. I am officially not a high school student anymore. What? I spent the last few days of high school appreciating the world around me. The people, the places, going on nature walks, listening to trees swaying in the wind. Watching sunrises. Falling rivers, countryside landscapes. Can you hear? Yeah, I think. And learning how to say goodbye whilst recognizing that, as scary as it may seem, a door closing could in fact be a good thing. One very important lesson I learned throughout high school is that friends really do make or break your experience.
That's so cute.
I'm eternally grateful for my friends, for their patience, for their love, kindness, and for helping me not only get through secondary education all the way through to the last weekend, but also for helping me grow in more ways than
You feel like why you guys trying to be sentimental?
No.
Why are you running away from me?
Run away.
No, I'm asking if it turned out differently than you expected.
The left misses the left misses the levers more than the levers miss the left.
That's so you miss us more. Yeah,
basically.
because you're still
the one that
every time you walk into flats, then you'll be like, I remember.
each and every person you come across throughout your education is a blessing from God to help you on your journey. Hold on to the ones that stick by you the entire way. Five years ago, my journey in secondary education began. I was blessed to meet so many incredible people, make such wondrous friends, see so many sunrises, and have an abundance of experiences to share and learn from.
Hello. So, guys. Yeah. Hey, vlog. Last Sunday.
Now, the sun has set on that journey, and it sometimes proves a little difficult to believe that it will rise into a better one.
hearing the box, so we're not hearing yours.
A 6-minute video cannot sum up high school, but it can show a glimpse of the joys these years have brought amid the struggles tied to the academic pursuit of success.
My baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby good, my baby all.
The end of an era.